Hey there, it's great to see you again. In our last video, we got your ChatGPT account up and running. Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful tool can truly make your daily life easier and more organized. But before we get to the examples, I want to share a simple, golden rule for talking to AI. It's a 3-ingredient formula that ensures you get the best results every time. 1. Role: who should the AI be? 2. Task: what exactly should it do? 3. Format: how should the answer look? Master these 3, and you'll be an AI pro in no time. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Bedtime stories for grandkids. Imagine creating a custom story for your grandkids in seconds. The prompt you should type is, "Act as a world-class children's book author." Write a 5-minute bedtime story about a brave rabbit for my 5-year-old grandson. Use a warm and adventurous tone. Press enter or an arrow key, and you're done. Tip 2. Writing professional letters. We've all been there, trying to find the right words for a difficult letter. Let ChatGPT be your high-level assistant. Act as a high-level executive assistant. Write a professional and firm letter to my landlord regarding a necessary repair in my kitchen. Make it look official and polite. All commands used in this video can be found in the video description. You can copy, Ctrl+C, and paste, Ctrl+V, them into ChatGPT. Tip 3. Your personal language coach. Ever wanted to learn a few phrases for your next trip? It's never too late to pick up a new skill. Act as a patient language coach. Teach me 5 essential Spanish phrases for a vacation. Provide the meaning and a simple guide on how to pronounce them clearly. Tip 4. Preserving your legacy. This is truly special, using technology to preserve your life stories for the next generation. Act as a professional biographer. I want to write down my memories from the year 1960. Ask me 3 engaging questions that will help me recall the best details of that time. Tip 5. Stress-free meal planning. Finally, let's simplify dinner time. No more scrolling through endless websites with way too many ads. Act as a chef specializing in healthy meals. Give me a simple dinner recipe using chicken and potatoes. Provide easy-to-read, step-by-step instructions. There you have it, 5 practical ways to use ChatGPT to simplify your life. Just remember the formula: role, task, and format. Give it a shot today and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to join our growing community of tech-savvy seniors. I'm so glad to have you on this journey. I'll see you in the next one.